Guys, today we're checking out the iClever BTH20 Kids Noise-Cancelling Headphones. Now, these are a set of headphones that combine active noise cancellation, durability and kid-friendly features. And if you're looking for the perfect headphones for your child's study sessions, travels or entertainment, then these might be the ones. So stick around and I'll be right back. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the BTH20 Active Noise Cancelling Headphones from iClever. Now, if you don't know iClever, well, they specialise in making cool and safe headphones for kids. But don't worry, these can also be worn by adults too, as they're highly adjustable. Now, before we get into it guys, iClever sent me these BTH20s to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you have some instructions. You've got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and you know what guys, if you want to listen to these headphones wired, then you also get a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter audio cable, so that's pretty nice. Then guys, to the main event, the headphones themselves. Now, they come in this little carry bag, and the first thing you'll notice when getting them out is how light and nice they feel in the hand. And looking around at these BTH20s, well, you know what? They feel perfect for kids. Soft adjustable headband, so they're gonna grow as your kids do, and soft adjustable ear cups to get that perfect fit. On the right ear cup guys, you have your USB-C and 3.5mm ports, and you've got your control buttons which are very tactile and enable you to power up, play and pause, and also skip tracks forward and backwards and adjust the volume. And on the side of the ear cup you have that all important active noise cancellation button. Now guys, these are no ordinary headphones. They boast an impressive maximum depth of 40 decibel noise reduction, combining both active and passive noise cancelling technologies to shield those young ears from external distractions. Whether your child is studying, travelling or enjoying their favourite tunes, these BTH20 headphones ensure that they experience rich, uninterrupted sound while protecting their hearing. The low noise reduction mode also offers a gentle auditory experience, reducing environmental noise without applying excessive pressure on those young ears. It's ideal for situations requiring a more comfortable listening environment, ensuring that children can enjoy their audio content whilst maintaining a pleasant fit. And the high noise reduction mode offers a more immersive auditory experience. It effectively blocks out most engine and mechanical noises, creating a quiet listening environment, ideal for travel or noisy surroundings. And you know what guys, this mode allows children to fully engage in music, audiobook or games without being disturbed by external sounds. These iClever BTH20 Noise Cancelling Headphones use advanced BPA and PVC-free materials for superior comfort and durability, and offer twice the wear and impact resistance of traditional materials, easily withstanding drops and bends. The reinforced internal structure also extends the button life and eliminates sound loss on one side, ensuring for a more reliable and longer lasting audio experience for your children. These noise cancelling headphones guys feature a pressure reducing design, skin-like texture, ensuring the ultimate comfort during airplane travel or road trips. See, you can wear them as adults, right? It's not just for kids, but they are for kids. And also guys, these 90-degree rotatable earmuffs, that's what they are, and 10 level adjustable headband provide a perfect fit for children 3 and upwards, and also adults. And the large buttons definitely make easy operation for kids. Guys, employing that iClever sound refiner and 80 dBA volume limit technology, these noise cancelling headphones for kids effectively reduce the volume in the most vulnerable hearing frequency range, which I believe is 2 to 4,000 hertz or 2 kilohertz to 4,000 kilohertz or something like that. I'll leave a note in the description. And you know what, guys? Because of that, you're going to get clearer and more balanced sound quality. And you know what? Don't worry about battery life. These headphones offer a reliable connection to Bluetooth and efficient power usage, providing up to 60 hours of continuous use with ANC off and 35 hours with ANC on. With a quick 10-minute charge, guys, you can get 5 hours of playtime. Plus, you've also got that included 3.5mm audio cable, which, you know, is going to remove any battery concerns if you have them. And that's going to let your kids enjoy their favorite content anytime, anywhere. And lastly, guys, well, what about that sound quality? Well, you know what? The sound quality was good. Considering these are fairly inexpensive, you know what, you get a nice neutral sound, which I think is good, considering that these are really for kids, and probably kids listen to more audiobooks or TV programs rather than audiophile quality music. So guys, there you have it. If you're looking for a set of headphones that are safe and durable and designed for children, then these are a solid choice with 2 levels of noise cancellation that really works, an impressive battery life, and a price that won't break the bank. These are definitely a good buy for your kids. And guys, with your kids wearing a set of these, you parents won't have to endure hours of listening to Peppa Pig. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab a 30% discount on these. I'll leave the most up-to-date price and product links in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to iClever for sending me these headphones to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.